Is it filming? Hello, nobleman of outlaws. Outlaw Samurai here with Outlaw Nitro at his RV. Well, this is a 40-year-old Winnebago, and back in the day they used to use aluminum plating. We're going to be removing said aluminum plating, and how I'm going to do it is I'm going to cut into the section with this so I can remove large chunks at a time, and afterwards, when it's all said and done, you're going to have to pry up the frame bars to really get in there, because we'll be replacing it with the plastic shown here. As I said in my next video. But technically this is RV Life and Remodels video. I'm just guest starring. Because Outlaw Nitro's doing the filming. So without further ado, don'ts and probably shouldn't, safety tip, always keep the cord away from the pointy end. 3, 2, 1, hope I don't fuck up. I hit something steel. Yep, there's some kind of steel under here. So we're going to have to raise it up so I don't hit steel again.